The Department of Employment, Training and Rehabilitation has seen a staffing shakeup, as you know, with the governor just appointing the new director as Heather Korbulik. She just took over the reins there. But we've received a lot of emails and phone calls still into our newsroom about people having trouble collecting unemployment and filing those claims. Brian Hoffman spoke with this new director to find out what her plans are to improve the system.
Heather Korbulik was appointed to lead the Department of Employment, Training and Rehabilitation earlier this month as the agency struggles to handle record-shattering levels of unemployment claims, reaching over 440,000.
Working around the clock, trying to find and build this plane as we're flying it. We're resource thin and working on addressing that and working on some of our technical capacity so that we can manage all of this.
To help with staffing, Governor Sisolak signed an emergency directive to provide flexibility for DETR to hire non-merit or contracted workers to help process unemployment claims.
Now we have to turn towards hiring all of those positions and training them as quickly as possible and getting them into the queue to help us manage this caseload.
It's unclear at this time how many workers the office is allowed to hire, as they do need to wait for guidance from the governor's office. These non-merit workers will be allowed to work on individual claims and assist claimants through the process, unlike the call center that was added previously. Korbulik tells us the ability to contact the DETR office is one of the biggest concerns that claimants have, and hopes to switch the antiquated phone system, which limits the number of calls, to a cloud-based system.
Basically what that'll do is it'll allow us to scale up in order to answer more calls. While that's happening, we're actively hiring more staff.
Utilizing that, along with the increase in staff that can assist with specific claims, Korbulik also hopes to streamline the unemployment process, paying out some benefits while still adhering to strict state and federal guidelines.
How can we build in coding that allows for us to authorize people where appropriate to get connected to the median benefit so that we can adjudicate their claim more on the back end.
Korbulik says that one big holdup with the process has been contacting employers that have been closed, as that step needs to be taken before some benefits can be paid out. Although some employers have contacted 2 News and let us know that they've had trouble contacting the DETR office. Covering the story, Brian Hoffman, 2 News.